Hi, my name is Ashwini and I'm excited to share my feedback on the data analyst course. I recently completed here at 30 days coding. First and foremost, I want to express my gratitude to the instructors and the entire team of their hard work and dedication. This course has been an incredible journey and I have gained valuable skills that I'm eager to apply in real-world scenarios. The structure of the course was well thought out, each module built upon the previous one, which made it easier for me to grasp complex concepts. I particularly enjoyed the sections on data visualization and statistical analysis. The hands-on projects were a highlight for me. They provided a practical experience that solidified my understanding of the theories we discussed in class. Thank you once again to everyone who involved in making this course